Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today I'm going to share a very delicious and yummy dal fry recipe. I'm going to make a chana dal fry and it's very simple and easy to make. This is my mom's recipe. So let's check out what ingredients we'll be needing to make this delicious chana dal fry. 1 cup of chana dal soaked in water for 1 hour. Oil around 2 to 3 tablespoons. 1 large onion thinly sliced. 1 large tomato chopped. Few cloves of garlic. 2 to 3 green chilies chopped. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder and some salt to taste. To make the dal, first what I've done is I've taken a pressure cooker into which I'm going to add the dal. Into the dal we'll add around 3 glasses of water and the whole garlic cloves, turmeric powder and cumin seeds. Mix everything nicely and pressure cook this dal till it's nice and soft. Alright guys, as you can see my dal is all done and I'm going to just whisk it a bit. So I'm going to check the dal whether it's done or not. As you can see, it's nice and mushy. So now we'll start making the bagar. Heat a wok, add oil to it. Now add in the onions. Let the onions brown. Alright, I forgot to show you. I'm going to add some asafoetida hing. So I'm going to add this around 1/4 teaspoon. This is very good for the digestion. So fry the onions till light golden brown. Our onion is done. As you can see, it's nice light golden brown. To this we'll add the ginger and garlic paste. I'll add salt around 2 teaspoons. Add in the tomatoes. Green chilies, give it a mix. Now add in the coriander powder and chili powder. Fry it for a few seconds. Now go ahead and add the dal. Give it a very nice mix. Now you can add water as much as you like. Well, if you're serving this with some tandoori roti or chapati paratha, then make it thick, and if you're serving this with rice, make it a little thin. I'm going to add some water, around 1 glass. Mix it nicely. If you want, you can mash the dal, but I like it a bit, you call it khadi dal in Hindi. A little chunky, you can say. And now I'm going to boil this for another 5 minutes on high heat. Go ahead and add the garam masala powder. Give it a mix. You can add fresh curry leaves. Right now I'm not having, so I'm not adding it, but you can go ahead and add. It gives a nice fresh taste to the dal. So let this boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, put the flame on low, cover it, and cook the dal for more 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, I'm going to add some freshly chopped coriander leaves. And our dal is all done. Serve this with some hot piping rice or tandoori roti. You can check out my tandoori roti on tawa recipe on my channel. I'm going to give the link in the description box below. Alright, my dal is all done. I'm serving this with some plain rice. So guys, hope you try it out and you will definitely like it. And do take care of yourself, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, Allah Hafiz. Bye.